Well, I'm excited, and at the same time, I'm kind of like, I guess we're all worried whenever we invest money in something. But I'm like, oh, just, just thinking like, how are we gonna do this? How are we gonna. But hopefully everything goes good, and we're able to, we're able to do this because. Smart. Okay. Yeah, and then this week, um, we have a lot of things to do this week. Well, we have to wait. I have to go to the city and pick up my passport. Okay, and then at the city pick up my passport, and then I have to go to Zamboanga City, 7 hours away. It's the first time I'm going to Zamboanga City, so I am looking forward to it though. Um, I'm gonna apply. I'm gonna apply for my NAIA visa. So once I go through that process, I'm going to upload a video and tell you how it went because I know there's some people out there that are getting married soon. So that way I can see how it went. Upload all the requirements. It's not a lot of requirements really. It's a pretty easy process, y'all. Yeah, it's an easy process. You don't have to worry about. Don't have to worry about nothing. All you have to worry about. Oh, why three trailer? I've never seen a three a movie, but Canelo's in the movie. Dang, that's pretty awesome. A security is being ramped up after airport theft accidents. Okay, so I keep seeing the news. I'm just gonna, which is good, It's they had the the airport in Manila security measures to be taken, precautions, like advanced because if they were stealing from tourists, Lord knows how long they've been doing this. All right. Just got a new report. It says the Manila International Airport (MIAA) said it's intensifying its security reviews and measures following the recent theft accidents at the Denoy Aquino International Airport. That's the airport in Manila. And I just dropped a blog. Y'all can go